Hey yo, what you know? Jason Canarum here. Appreciate you stopping in. But are you like me, a power hungry little man? Do you have these power banks everywhere? Are they getting old? Is it time to replace them? If it is, I might have a solution for you, so stay tuned. All right, here it is. Here's the tool. This might be the solution. I have no idea how to pronounce that, and I'm not even going to try. This is just the solution. This is a 200-watt inverter. It takes the Milwaukee 18-volt battery. It also has two of these 5-volt 2.1 amp USB ports. It has a 20-watt 5-volt 2.1 amp USB-C, and it also has a 200 lumen LED work light. This has three functions, three brightnesses, whatever you want to call it. Now, I've had this thing since Christmas. I've used it here and there, mainly to charge my phone, charge my tablet. I ran this here fan a few times, and believe it or not, I've ran, not this one, but one similar to it, a shop light while I was working on my Jeep. It's real handy. It's going to be a great camping tool. I've used it out in the field, and I guess check it out. You don't have to buy this one. There's many of them like it. They range from I don't know. I think I've seen them as cheap as $30 to as high as $150. But it is what it is. You look for it. I found mine on eBay, and good luck to you. Great tool. If you're wondering how does this thing work, you take your battery. This is a little bitty battery, or you can take a big battery just like this one, and if you have it, you can take a generic knockoff battery just like this one. Yeah, slide it on, you push this button, and hopefully that green light stays on. Maybe you hold that button until that green light stays on. You just do whatever you got to do until that green light stays on. Grab your utensil, your power. You just push buttons until it works. Need to turn on your light? You plug it in and you blind yourself. Oh man, what'd I do that for? Yeah, you see, it works. I suggest it. Go out and find yourself one. See you next time.
Remember, smile while you still have teeth.